Hello, good morning, welcome to my shower. We have a fun day planned today. Days with Jordan the Lion vlog, beginning now. It's 6:45 in the morning. I've just taken my shower because I'm going to go meet some girls and we're going to Disneyland today. Some of my friends that I do acting with, we were all talking, hey, we should go to Disneyland sometime. Last night we said, hey, we're not working tomorrow, let's all go. We're going to Breck's now, and then we're going to Disneyland. And everybody's best friend's awake too. Dad can't wake up and do anything without this guy watching him like a hawk. Today's shirt, just because it's a lightweight material, and it's Jeff Lynne. And this guy, in case it gets hot.
Main Entrance Plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park.
Starting the day roaming through one of the stores. Alright, the party's finally here. The ladies are here. We're ready to rock.
Has arrived.
Familiar place.
Streets over on the other side.
I love being at Disneyland. Today's gonna be great because it's actually gonna be 4 of us going around riding rides together.
There's a cast center back on the road.
Breck's making friends here. Kind of funny because Megan's shirt is kind of like my shirt. Except about 30 years difference, the artists. And of course, Steve Martin's Magic Shop. We can't not see Steve Martin's Magic Shop. I always have to. It's Halloween time, and so all the rides that we rode last time we were here are now converted to Halloween rides, which is going to be awesome. We're going to Space Mountain first, of course. Yeah, I've been bragging about the pecan log, so we're definitely getting one while we're here.
Oh yeah, we could.
I offered one to Mallory last time, but we just weren't, they didn't want to make us stop over to my house to grab it. Now when they have it here, which are like, I think the best ones, they'll wish they would have. We gotta try the trick that Margot said about the say I've got magic, or
where's the magic?
Where's the magic?
Let's try it.
You guys run a commercial here?
Yeah. It was actually for Star Tours. We were on the ride.
There you go. Watch the Star Tours commercial and then you'll find Margot and Mallory. Ah, here we go. So like within a year's time, I've ridden 3 different versions of this ride now. Before they changed it over to the Star Wars version, in the Star Wars version, now this will be Ghost Galaxy.
Hi guys. Last time I was here, we got like a whole bunch of fast passes and like free popcorn.
There's a magic shop on Main Street.
No.
That employee looked absolutely clueless when the ladies asked about the where's the magic fast pass thing. He had no clue. In fact, when they said where's the magic, he's like, oh, the magic shop's on Main Street. So we got fast passes with our card, and we're gonna come back and ride Space Mountain later because it's like 45-minute wait, and we'll just ride it at 2:30. Asking this guy about the where's the magic thing, and he just said, well, if somebody made magic last time, you got magic. Look at these pretzels. They're Mickey pretzels. We just got out of Star Tours. That's the first time I've ridden that since they did the changeover. It was actually pretty awesome. So now we're gonna hit the candy store and then go to the Matterhorn. Well, the 5 of us just shared a pecan log from the Disneyland store because I've been telling everybody how addictive they are and how they're my favorite thing. And now they're all like raving about it. Everybody agrees that they're amazing.
They don't suck.
See? Change of plans, we're going on Indiana Jones next. Yes, ma'am.
I don't think this will be 25 minutes either.
Nope.
It said like 35.
Yeah, it said 35.
I don't think it was 35.
Disneyland, I think the girls believe that Disneyland are liars. They say longer, so it's not. We are in the bowels of this Indiana Jones ride. It's alright.
Craziest tune I ever heard of mine is coming down. Yeehaw!
So far, he's the highlight of my trip. Must be a new band here at Disneyland. All right, here we go. 15 minutes.
I remember I was with you. Yeah.
See the little like hawks that are like mechanical up there? They move.
Man, your sandwich is gonna be all fun.
Little mechanical hawks up there.
You wouldn't tell me there was only one.
I think we all agree that was pretty awesome. I always loved that ride, and so did they. So we should come over here and see Walt and Mickey before we head off into the castle. Right over there.
Why is this in video?
Change this coat.
Where am I from?
Looks like they still have some of the 60th Diamond Anniversary Celebration glitter all over the roof, but everything else looks like it's been back to normal. Oh, ducks! Cool.
I'm sure it is. They just always are. They said they put it in the air. I'm sure they do.
They do. Brooke said that they pipe in cookie smells.
They just always want you to smell this good stuff and want you to buy it.
Well, it worked.
Yeah, it works.
Worked on the pecan log, that's for sure.
Oh my god.
I should have saved my money for this instead of throwing it all in the other wishing well. We're going through the Magic Castle.
Let me see. No, the bathroom.
Seems to be stroller parking over here. Come on, keep pulling. You can get it out. Keep going. Ooh, Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. That is a fun one. I would be down for that. All right, Mr. Toad, keep it cool. Keep it cool, Mr. Toad. Well, we all just signed on for a single rider here at the Matterhorn, and we basically have just walked right on, so we haven't even waited 2 or 3 minutes yet. Pretty awesome. Again. It's that time. They have to tell you that you're too fat to ride a Harry Potter ride. Oh yeah. Usually I ride this first, but way easier. This is like a 10-minute wait, 15-minute wait. Space Mountain. What a great ride. Let's see our pictures here. Yes. Who's flexing their muscles back there? I guess it's parade time. Oh, it's parade time. Whoa! Who would have thought Mickey was such a drummer? Wow. Doing the Cars Land. We had the single rider, this sucker. It was gonna be a 75-minute wait. Single rider, it's like 15, they said. And it about was 15.
Hey, here come tractor tipping. It's easy. Sneak up on me.
We may be crazy because it's 5:30 and we're getting on the water ride, but I'm kind of insisting on this one because I love it. There's our old buddy, looking spiffy today, fella. We're about to get on the water ride, and these girls are, yeah, they're arguing about how wet they're gonna get and who's gonna sit where so that they don't get wet, and they've all nominated that I'm gonna get wetter than everyone else. So the same group that is arguing about who's gonna sit where is talking about going whitewater rafting for real. This is hilarious. This is hilarious.
I'm gonna be dizzy. Crap. So don't look at that. No, I'm going real life.
Oh, we're going up the ramp. We're entering the wilderness. The wilderness of Margot's hair. this is like a kid's dream world. We're on the lookout for Breck. See if you see Breck dancing out there. This is definitely more exciting than my apartment. Rocking. I need a car that opens up like that. Yeah! Swing, baby, swing! Trick it out! Wow! Look at him go, man. That guy's a machine. Green Army man, baby. Woo! I need more of this on my street. Well, it'll be my first time riding the Little Mermaid ride.
So cute.
I'm up for a new experience, I guess. You can't see all the dancing that's going on in here right now, but... Woo! Yeah, now they're winning me over. This is... I decorate my house like this.
Yes, I do. Now raise us last.
I've never even seen that movie and I actually like that ride. Something wrong with me. Anybody need a comb? This is one of the best coffee mugs I've ever seen. I love it. You said it, brother. Wish it were a little bit darker so we can see the lights better, but it looks really awesome out here right now. Vlog over.